The quotient when 12x power 5 y square plus 18x power 4 y cube is divided by minus 3x square y. Let's go step by step. Divide this by minus 3x power y. 12 by minus 3 is minus 4. X power 5 by x power 2 is x power 5 minus 2. Y square by y, y power 2 minus 1. Plus 18 by minus 3 is minus 6 into x power 4 minus 2, y power 3 minus 1. Minus 4x cube y minus 6x square y square. Looking for minus 4x cube y minus 6x square y square. This choice sits perfectly. This is wrong. This is wrong. Minus 4x cube y square. This is wrong.